Hello and good day, traders. Hope you are in good health. This is a happy new year in advance to you all who are watching this video. This is a pair Gbpjpy and we are in 12 months time frame. Each candlestick here represents a single year. So this is 2023, this is 2022. So far, we have seen that the market being bullish for the last 3 years for British pound against Japanese yen, but this can revert back in 2004 because Japanese Bank of Japan is planning to come out of its ultra low interest rate of negative 0.01. On the other side, the British Bank of the Central Bank of Bank of England is also planning to rate cut and which will start maybe in next May 2024. Optimistically, there is already going different talks in the market that this year the Bank of England will reduce the interest rate at least on 0.25 point basis. At least 5 cuts will be taken place to adjust their interest rate along with the Federal Reserve Bank of America as well as the European Union Bank. They all are planning to adjust their interest rate to give some advantage to their economy to fuel up as the inflation are coming on very sharply. And here we can see that the pound has moved in the double top region of the month. If we see double top region of the year, not month, you guys can see, and that caused it to push back the price immediately of this whole thing. So this is one thing. This is the only date we have in here. And if we see JPY in fundamental level comes out of the ultra low interest rate, at the same time Great Britain pound cuts its interest rate, it will have double impact in the market. So my expectation is initially for this year, if it happens like this, I'm expecting that price will come down some places here. Let me mark it some places here. I'm expecting that the price will come some places here. 155,618. This is the place I'm expecting at least the price. So let's move on to the monthly, and here we can see that in monthly I put it in a different color so I can remember this is the expectation of the year. This color will be better. Okay, so here we see that in monthly we have an official double top. This green and red push the price back, and again we have a green and red in the same region. So let's draw it now. This is a monthly double top. Officially we have already on the chart, and let me do the thing, and hold on guys. Okay, and now we mark at the top here and at the same time the bottom. So this is the price range. The double top monthly official double top has been done, and if we consider the monthly, we have a double bottom. The latest double bottom is here. We are not considering on this side. If we consider the double bottom here, this is the red and green, and then this is the bottom which caused this top, and this is the top which caused this bottom, or maybe this top. Though we have some room on the upside, but it failed, and it is I will explain to that. Let me do this thing first. let us take the depth of the market at the same time that price has come to this level, and let us mark here as well as here. Okay guys, so this is the thing we have to consider. And now if we analyze the monthly price here, you guys can see very clearly that this is a very big outside candle in compared to this one. This is the outside bearish candle. Outside bearish candle is something which is almost double of the body of the previous candle. Either it is bullish or bearish, it doesn't matter, but the size of the candle is much more bigger than the previous bullish or bearish candle. So it is an outside candle. This is not piercing line, this is not engulf, this is called outside candle. Now I have the thing is this, the initial break of structure has already been happened, change of character has achieved, has been done already here. This is the change of structure. Let me increase it so you guys can understand what I am talking. And once it break this line, this is the last support for the bullish. If it breaks this line in the monthly, then we are talking about the change of break of structure. It means the bearish is confirmed, that the bearish will come to this level. And this is the 50% level I am expecting. Let me see. Yes, this is the mark of the 50% I just mentioned a little bit earlier. Okay guys, so this is the mark we have to check all the time. Let me redraw it for better. So the 50% mark line will be this one. The market will come this year here. This is my expectation. So guys, please keep this video save somewhere so you can check time to time what is going on. Let me try it from here, so we don't need to go back too much. Yes, and change the color, something like this. So this is the expectation here. So we have a change of character already. Now if for any outside candle happens in a month, normally what happens that it creates some retracement. So this week, maybe first week of January, we'll see some retracement. Maybe, I'm not sure guys, maybe, because all big candles have retracement. All big candle, if we go, all big candle normally does have some sort of retracement. Big candle, a little bit retracement. Big candle, a little bit of retracement, especially on the upper side. Big candle, a little bit retracement. Big candle, new high, a little bit retracement. Big candle, a little bit retracement, and I'm expecting the same here too. But as the US interest cut likely to be before the Gbpjpy, so I am not expecting that much bearish initially in the initial stage or first quarter in the what you say of 2024. So let's move on to the let's move on to the weekly, and we have seen now that it is playing the role. It made a big shadow on the downside on first week of December. Second week it tried to break that, but it failed, and on the third week it tried to be bullish, it failed, and last week I mean the last Friday closing week, this is the thing we had, but it failed to break on the downside also. So I am expecting a little bit retracement here before it moves and get bearish and break this line. So there is nothing here at the moment. So let's go to daily now, and you guys can see that it is started being ranging, and this is the thing which has the potentiality to move the price on the upside or on the downside. We don't know. So this is the thing that Japanese yen, it gets positive and GBP gets a negative interest rate started cutting, and they are high, put their interest on positive side. This there will be a double impact here on the bearish side, so keep that in mind. And here you guys can see in daily that it went up, came down, and it went up again came down, it went up again, and it came down, it went up again, and now this time it failed to break this line. This guy, can you guys see? Out of all this candlestick, this line, this guy couldn't break this line. You can check all of them. Can you guys see? Except this green one. But this guy is a clear indication that it failed to break the above line, and this indicates that the market will get bearish. So my opinion for GBP JPY is this: I will not go for bullish at the moment, but I will watch in 4 hours and see. Hold on, let me bring these guys into visualization so we guys don't miss anything. Okay, this will be the break of structure, and the change of character has already happened. So let us visualize. Okay, our it is visualized. So let's move to 4 hour now, and if we go to 4 hour, you guys can see now very clearly that in 4 hours it is not breaking this line anymore. It came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up. At this time it is creating this is higher low, this is higher low, this is a higher low. All the high is getting low constantly, and this time this couldn't break out here. It didn't move like this and came back like this. It didn't happen. So the market is getting bearish at the moment. So I will wait for one thing, to check out that to give it some space for retracement and retest this zone again, because this time it didn't make a lower low here. It made a lower low, higher low. This is lower low, then it is a higher low again. So I will wait some the action here, then maybe after that I have to see in daytime frame also a little bit. Let's go 4 hourly. I think daytime frame we have to check that this place it will make some reaction, this area. So my expectation is to see retest this area, come back this area, retest this area, again come back and retest, then it will break this area and it will stop here, because this is a very powerful candle, opposite color candle in a uptrend which is red. This is my expectation. I will not get bearish at the moment, to be very honest with you. I will not get bearish at all at this moment. I will not do that. Sorry, I will not get bullish at this moment. This is my way of thinking. So before you take any trade, be careful, make your own risk management. This is the place I am expecting to come in next 1 or 2 weeks. And put your stop loss. If to provide you a lead, my lead will be something like this. To put a lead here, I will go for sell. Hold on, sell. At what price I will sell? I will sell 180.78. stop loss will be somewhere, I will give 180.88, maybe a little bit more, 90. And TP1 I will go for we should go for this guy, so which is 178.21, and let's say 30. TP2 will be targeted, will be somewhere here, 177.59, 7.60, and TP3 should be targeted here, and this is 176.31, or maybe a little bit lower, and we are talking about this guy, and which is 174.56, 174.60. That's it from my side, guys, for Gbpjpy. So be careful when you trade. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.